Celebrate Easter and the return of spring. We got festive foods and drinks to really liven us up. What better way to celebrate than by cooking up your favorite dishes, too? Here to help us make Easter fun and easy, we have Chef Jamie Gwen. And, oh, Chef, you always have such great tips. And looks like you have a great spread. So what recommendations do you have for those delicious Easter recipes and just having a good time?
Yeah, definitely. So, well, thank you, by the way, for the compliments and happy spring to you. Yes, I brought you my best food and drink finds. So here goes. Let's usher in spring. Ham, a must at Easter, right? My go-to is Kentucky Legend for so many reasons. It has really fabulous flavor. What I love is that it's double smoked. It's also the nation's #1 natural juice ham. And because we all have a little culinary fatigue after a year of cooking at home, it is super easy. You just heat and eat. Now, they have a variety of sizes and smoke flavors for every gathering. So you could take a whole Kentucky Legend ham and simply glaze it with peach preserves, or you could go to their half or quarter ham and you could add deliciously smoky flavor to your favorite dish or appetizer. I happen to love a thick slice with eggs in the morning. It's delicious. Now, I also have a unique spin on a holiday appetizer. These are quiche cups made with pearls sliced California black ripe olives, and they are the perfect individual brunch delight. I like to say you could eat 1 or 2 or 8, and people who love olives love and trust pearls. 100% grown and packed in sunny California, picked at the peak of freshness. You can really taste the difference. There's no mushy olive here, right? They are a pantry staple of mine. And I appreciate that Pearls is committed to keeping jobs in the U.S. and ensuring the highest quality olives in their cans and cups and jars as well. So please look for the sunny yellow packaging.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
You ready for some sweet fun? Because, yeah, I have a sweet treat.
What do you got, Chef? What do you got? It looks like you got some eggs over there, some good colors. What's going on?
Check it out. It looks like an ordinary marshmallow, right? But one bite reveals a creamy, sweet milk chocolate core. This is a stuffed puff marshmallow, classic milk chocolate filled marshmallow, super fun addition to your Easter egg hunt. And they've made limited edition colors. So now you can get stuffed puffs in sunflower yellow, bubblegum pink, and daydreaming blue. And what a way to usher in spring, right? They make an amazing s'more around a campfire or at your backyard barbecue. Or for a quick hack, this is what I do, by the way, this is what it looks like inside. You pop one of their marshmallows into the microwave for 7 seconds, and you have instant gratification s'mores, if that's not so cool. Okay, let's eat dessert first, right? And then I have cocktails to kick it off, too, because it wouldn't be a celebration without. And you don't have to be a mixologist to whip up a delicious cocktail. This is Smirnoff's new Zero Sugar Infusions Lemon and Elderflower with a splash of soda water. It is so good. It's that citrus flavor and the elderflower that comes through, makes it beautifully refreshing. And by the way, it has 0 sugar, so you can still reach your summer bod goals. Then for a spring-inspired cocktail, I make a Moscow Mule with strawberries and lime and the world's #1 vodka, which is Smirnoff #21 vodka. Quality and price make this the go-to vodka when entertaining. And for all of these tips, I've posted the recipes as well. You go to dailylounge.com.
Dailylounge.com. Viewers got to check that out. We got your appetizers, your holiday ham, and then the ways to get the sweet tooth. And then, yeah, if the kids are stressing out the adults, you got that Smirnoff right over there. Chef Jamie Gwen, really do appreciate you coming on here today. Great tips, as usual.
Thank you for having me. I like the way you think.
Take care.
Happy spring.
Yes. Gravestone moment.